Well, I was about to do the sound and then it quit on me. I'm getting such a headache. That's what he does to me. He makes me mad. I scream and yell. He gives me a fucking headache. I've asked his father for help. This is who I think his father is, and he makes this sound. Listen.
Quit hurting.
Pretty scary sound, ain't it? It's quite a scary sound. But anyway, I don't know. I just tried to ask him for help, but I guess he's not going to help me probably. I have like 3 different videos of that sounding stuff. But so they also want to take my pelvic bone above my lady area, and sometimes they want to pull that off and break it. Sir John almost did once. And I think that's probably next on their agenda. I don't know. I know I'm afraid of them doing other things to me. And they're trying to turn me into pervert. I already kind of mentioned that, and it's driving me nuts. I'm turning this light on, so it's brighter in here. The other thing, Satan does some very gross things, and so does Sir John. I'll tell you that right now. You need to be saved by God. Don't ever mess with a Ouija paper, a Ouija board. Don't mess with that kind of stuff. If you're not saved, please get saved by God. It's so easy. It's so easy. I'm not trying to preach, but this stuff is a nightmare, and you don't want to go down to hell, because all the women get torn apart down there. Like, maybe not all of them, but a few don't. Their lady parts and all their privates are like